Good morning everyone, welcome again. Today we will discuss obsessive compulsive disorder in anxiety disorders. So let's discuss. Let's start. Obsessive compulsive disorder means OCD in short form. So firstly I'll start with one example. Have you ever noticed someone washing their hands every time they touch something or washing even things like coins or stepping only within the patterns on the floor or road while walking? So if you have seen those people affected by obsessive compulsive disorders and are unable to control their preoccupation with specific ideas or are unable to prevent themselves from rapidly carrying out a particular act or series of acts that affect their ability to carry out normal activities. So an anxiety disorder in which a person feels trapped in repetitive, persistent thoughts and repetitive ritualized behaviors means compulsions designed to reduce anxiety. Person understands that the ritual behavior is senseless, but guilt mounts if the behavior is not performed. So obsessions are intense, unwanted worries, ideas and images that rapidly pop up in the mind. And a compulsion is rapidly strong feeling of needing to carry out an action, even though it doesn't feel like it makes sense. When is it a disorder? Distress. When you are deeply frustrated with not being able to control the behaviors. Or dysfunction means when the time or mental energy spent on these thoughts and behaviors interfere with everyday life. This is dysfunction. Here you can see percentage of children and adolescents with OCD reporting these obsessions or compulsions. Obsessions, repetitive thoughts concerned with dirt, germs, toxins, something terrible happening, fire, death, illness, symmetry, order, or exactness. These are reporting symptoms in percentages. So compulsion, repetitive behavior, excessive hand washing, bathing, toothbrushing and grooming, repeating rituals in out of a door, up down from a chair, checking doors, locks, appliances, car brakes, homework. So here you can see the percentage of some children and adolescents reporting symptoms. So common pattern, rechecking, although you know that you have already made sure the door is locked, you feel you must check again and again. That is OCD. So obsessive behavior is the inability to stop thinking about a particular idea or topic. The person involved often finds these thoughts to be unpleasant and shameful. And compulsive behavior is that the need to perform certain behaviors over and over again. Many compulsions deal with counting, ordering, checking, touching and washing. Other disorders in this category include hoarding disorder and trichotillomania, hair pulling disorder, and excoriation means skin picking disorder, etc. These are also included in this disorder. Here you can see, if you have the persistent thought that gremlins are sabotaging any airplane you are on or will be on, then you have a dash. If you cannot stop asking for more water during flights, then you have a dash. So which one you choose from these options? So answer is, if you are the persistent thought that gremlins are sabotaging any aeroplane you are on or will be on, then you have a obsession. If you cannot stop asking for more water during flight, then you have a compulsion. So this is a right answer. So today we have discussed about obsessive compulsive disorder. Next time we will move further. Thank you.